On Hype Tech class of 2019, I just want to talk about the technology that was introduced in 2019 that was really hyped and that we use today. So one of them was the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. With the upcoming Note 20, Samsung usually dominates as far as releases on the Android spectrum, and they're still dominating as we know now. Next was the iPhone 11. That was a big craze, and that's year over year. iPhones generally, every release, everybody makes a big deal out of them, probably because they're one of the most popular handsets that are out to date. So the iPhones, every year they'll probably have a slot in our class or the Hype Tech videos. In 2019, they were introducing the foldable phones. Nobody successfully did it. This year in 2020, LG released the dual screen device, and Samsung also released a flip phone that is a full touchscreen. Motorola, I believe, did re-release the Razr as well. So this is a technology that still has room for growth. I'm excited to see where it's gonna go, but it was introduced in 2019 and they're trying to make it a big deal now, so let's see. The next craze that was introduced in 2019, and it's still pretty relevant now, is cloud gaming. As you've heard of the new next gen devices, the PlayStation and the Xbox, cloud gaming is picking up steam, and it looks like a lot of these consoles are actually going to give you the opportunity to store all of your games on the cloud and no longer need the actual hard disk to play these games. Even other companies such as Google have decided to step into this world as well, because it creates a big opportunity for in-app purchases in gaming. Next on this list is autonomous driving. Now, this has been becoming a lot popular with companies like Tesla, and you even have companies like Uber looking to have their cars drive themselves in order to do deliveries and pick people up, of course. The whole autonomous and AI thing is something that's growing fairly fast, which also leads me to bring up the virtual assistants, which pretty much is in all phones. You got Siri, you got Google, you got Alexa. So the idea of technology running itself is growing very fast. Next, we have streaming boxes. So the idea of the cable cutter millennial community is growing very fast. A lot of people are going into the Netflix, the Hulu, the Quibi. So there is becoming less of a need to have a cable box. The streaming boxes are very relevant now. Apple has the Apple TV, you got the Fire Sticks, and these are just to name a few. These boxes pretty much allow you to download all of these apps and stream a lot of your favorite shows and movies without the need to actually have cable. Now, the biggest technology piece that came out of 2019 that I think is just getting started and it's gonna go pretty far is 5G. All of the phones are now beginning to have them. A lot of the networks are starting to deploy the towers. So 5G, I'm interested to see where it's going to go, especially with the idea of the cable cutters, where a lot of information is being transmitted through the internet and a lot of media. So 5G is probably my number one pick for the class of 2019 that is still very relevant in 2020 and has ways to go. As always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.